We are on lesson 11.2, page 607 in your book, and we're talking about surface area. You might know regular area. To find an area of a rectangle, you just multiply the base times the height, or two of the sides together. So on number 2, you're counting the squares, and it was 2 squares wide and 8 squares deep. Multiply 2 and 8 and you get 16. Make sure you circle it. The next one was 4 squares wide by 8 squares deep. 4 times 8 is 32. Here's a helpful hint. This and this will always match. This and this will always match. And this and this will always match. And normally we're just working with rectangular prisms. Sometimes we work with other stuff. This edge is 2 and this edge is 4, so it's going to be 8 and 8. This is only half of the work. The other half is adding all of these together. So I like to start with the biggest numbers. 32 plus 32, 16 plus 16, and then 8 and 8. And you add them all together. This is 16, this is 32, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, plus 6 is 12, 4, 7, 10, 11. 112 units, and because we're finding the area, it would be squared. So if you go in your book over there and you count up every single square, you should get 112 units. All right. Number 3, going back to number 2, that is the only time that they are going to give you like squares to base your thing off of. So going on with number 3, 4, 5, do it like this the rest of the time, and I promise it will be easy. So it's a rectangular prism, draw your net, and do it like this from now on. Big rectangle, big section, little section, big section, little section. You see how it's big, big, small, small. Okay, this one's kind of medium, but it's supposed to be small. It's not going to be perfect all the time. And then a wing and a wing. All right? Then you don't even really have to match up your edges or anything. You just start with the biggest number. So the biggest number on number 3 is 7 millimeters. 7 millimeters. So you're starting with your largest number, and I want you to list every line going straight down that large number. Cool. Now you're going with the next largest number, and guess what? Both of those numbers are 3. So we're just going to label everything else 3. And then you're just going to multiply. Find the area of each section. So large section first, 3 times 7, 21, circle it. Find its partner, the other large section, 21, and circle it. Next, you're going to do your little areas. 7 times 3, 21, which I guess they're not very little areas. 21 again. Then you're going to find the area of the wings. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Then you're just going to add them all together. 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21. I can do that right now, which is 84. Plus 9, which is 18. 102 millimeters squared. Cool. Number 4. This will be a good practice because there's all different lengths. Okay, this is important to pay attention to this one. There's a 5, there's a 4, and a 1. So draw your net. Bam. Draw your sections. Large and small and large and small. Draw your wings. 1, 2. Start with the biggest number, which is 5. Go down the center. Okay, this is what's different. You ready? Your next largest number is 4. This is where you need to go. Go all the way across the top. 4, 4, 4, 4. Skip the little box and go down to the big box. 4 and 4. I promise that we will do this enough that you will get in the habit of it. Okay? And then you just have little boxes left. Little boxes go in the corner and its partner. Okay? Then you just find the area. This is 20. Its partner is 20. Next little box, 5 and 1 is 5 and 5. And then the wings, 4 and 4. And then just add them all together. 20 and 20, 5 and 5, 4 and 4. That's 40. This is 10. This is 8. And I get 58 as my total. 58. What is it? Inches squared. Cool. Number 5. Oh, decimals. This is going to be great. Number 5. We have 6.5. We have 3, and we have 2. Draw your net. Wings. Start with the biggest number. Go with the next biggest number, which was 3. Go across the top T. And this is the big box. You have to make its partner have the same number. And then the last number is 2. Start with the corners. And this small box needs to have it matching at the bottom. And then you just find your area. 6.5 times 3. With 1 decimal place. Oh, 19. 19. 1 decimal place, this is 19.5. It has a partner of 19.5. Now we need to do 6.5 times 2. It's 13. And its partner is 13. And then you need to do the wings. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Then add them together. 19.5, 19.5, 13, 13. I'm just going to add these two. 6 and 6 would be 12. This is 0. Bring down my decimal point. Carry the 1. That would be 10, 19, 22, 25, 27. Whoa, that's a 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 77 feet. Feet squared. Okay, number 6 doesn't give you a picture, it just gives you measurements. And it says 14, 6, and 2. Six, 2, 14 times 6 84, 84, 14 times 2, 28, 28. Please, please, please circle the area that's in the middle of these. I promise it will help you out in the long run. Every year people forget to circle them and then they get so confused with all these numbers. But if you circle them, you know what to focus on. So then adding them all together, 84 and 84, 28 plus 28 is 56, I think. And 12 is 24. 8, 14, 18, 9, 17, 22, 24, 24, whatever, squared. All right. Now that you know how to do it, we're moving on to your worksheet. You should be able to find the area of box A, B, C, D, E, and F. You add them all together, and then you just write in your answer. Again, there are boxes there to help you through it. Number 1, it was like number 6, and it is just giving you the lengths. I want you to draw the net, and then I want you to show the work, and then give me the surface area. It's exactly like this. So the first box should look like this. The adding should be in here, and the area where you get it should be on this line. Okay, so all the front, all the back. Have an amazing day. See you later.